The upcoming iPhone 17 series is only a few weeks away, and leaks are revealing a striking new image of what it will look like. For models, the iPhone 17, 17 Air, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max are anticipated to be released by Apple this year. And for once, the colors are what draw attention rather than just the specs. A bold new orange finish is being used on the Pro models, which is a departure from Apple's typically subdued color scheme. It will come with high-end colors like black, dark blue, silver, and white, though Apple will undoubtedly give them more imaginative names. Sunburst orange or midnight blue come to mind. The regular iPhone 17 will be available in purple and green hues that have been somewhat modified from the previous year's range. Subtle yet sophisticated. The iPhone 17 Air is a new model that may be the biggest surprise. With a more subtle design, it aims to be Apple's slimmest iPhone ever. It appears in delicate hues of black, silver, gold, and a faint blue-gray in leaked photos. More grace, less flamboyance. Significant design changes are on the horizon, particularly for the Pro models, going beyond aesthetics. The bump on the camera? It is notably larger. It's more than just show, though. An 8x optical zoom and a strong 48MP telephoto lens are suggested by leaks. This places Apple squarely against the top products from Xiaomi and Samsung. If you care about photography, this might alter everything. For many users, however, it goes beyond appearances and cameras. Performance and battery life continue to be the top requirements, according to a recent survey. The iPhone 17 will be a complete upgrade rather than only a visual update if Apple succeeds in those areas as well. Should you wait then? If you've been eyeing a new iPhone, this might be the ideal moment to wait. The iPhone 17 series appears to have something for everyone, regardless of your preference for robust zoom capabilities, slimmer designs, or striking new colors. Early September is anticipated to see the official announcement. The most anticipated iPhone launch in years may occur if these leaks turn out to be true. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.